So good morning, friends. First of all, I wish to say Happy New Year to all of our journalist friends. Those sitting in Manipur, I don't know how much you feel happy at present juncture. So yesterday we had a meeting of Extended Executive Committee of CPI Manipur. 2 weeks before we had a State Council meeting, and from that meeting many questions was being raised before the leadership of the party. So yesterday we just try to give answer to all those questions to our party comrades and came to certain political conclusions. First of all, on behalf of our party, yesterday we discussed present political situation in Manipur, then what will be the solution of the present situation, then forthcoming elections, and many other issues we have discussed. At the outset, we want to express our serious condemnation of arresting two editors of daily newspaper of Manipur. I think this was an unnecessary act and very revengeful act. Nowadays, it is an international phenomenon, and the journalists are the worst victim who wanted to present the truth before the people. So our party demand immediate release and withdrawal of all cases from that two editors of these two journals. We discuss the present situation. Now 8 months have passed. We really don't know after how many deaths of Manipuri people our Prime Minister will visit Manipur. But it is almost same questions people are asking, that after how many thousands death of Palestinian people, Israel will declare ceasefire. The same question are raised here, that how many people after being killed, displaced, wounded, our Prime Minister will get a chance to visit Manipur. It is a shameful act. Whole world is watching Manipur, what is happening in Manipur. So many things are happening, but Prime Minister is silent while he is speaking every issue under the sun. But he is became mum when the issue comes in Manipur. Our party discussed this issue, and we are of the opinion that our first priority is the restoration of law and order, stopping of the killing, stopping of the burning houses, and government should act. State government, central government, both governments should act to restore the peace and normalcy in Manipur. Why people of Manipur from both sides, all community will be victim of such situations. And I just wanted to say, India is not a banana republic. India's security agencies are very strong. Even our army is ready to fight even China and Pakistan at the same time. And anybody will believe that if they have a political will of these security agencies, they cannot stop this ongoing violence? Nobody will believe that. That means they don't have any political will, neither state government nor central government, to stop this violence. Maybe they are looking for the coming election and to use this violence as an opportunity for them to win the elections, because it has something to do with these forthcoming elections also. That is our party belief. But our party emphasizes there can be election, but in such a condition, before that we have to have a conducive political atmosphere. a conducive, peaceful atmosphere so that people can cast their vote, people can elect their appropriate representative. But that is not the case. So we are emphasizing again and again, first priority is to restoration of law and order situation in Manipur. We are also requesting Chief Minister to take appropriate action, though we know that he has something in his mind. We will be requesting once again, our party leadership will also try to meet Prime Minister that he should visit Manipur and he should at least take some political actions so that normalcy can be restored in Manipur. Second thing, when we are demanding there should be a peace and normalcy, how to achieve it? How to achieve it? Now all you know, because I don't want to be more Manipuris than you people, because you are living in the ground level. In Kuki areas, Manipuri police are not welcome, and Meitei areas, that our central forces are not welcome. So situation is like that. So how to break this issue? That means some people have to take some initiative so that they can reach both sides. They can start a dialogue. They can go ahead for reconciliations. And we do believe the only place, constitution place left for such initiative is the calling of the assembly. Calling of the assembly. Because our constitution also defines the role of assembly. Assembly is not called for. And in the assembly only, both sides can meet, can discuss, and can think how to resolve these issues. So our demand is also that while we are demanding to the government for proper actions should be taken, we are also calling the government, please call the assembly, so that Meitei and Kukis, Nagas, whoever are there, member of the assembly, at least they can sit face to face, they can discuss the issue if they really have love for Manipur. Second thing, our party also discussed the issue of Manipur, and we came to a conclusion that we are not looking for an ad hoc basis solution. We are not looking for an ad hoc basis solution. The present crisis has deep root in the history of Manipur itself, when Manipur joined Indian Union. So we are studying very seriously what was the root cause of today's problem, what is manifest, why there should be some kind of atmosphere appear suddenly. So our party, along with some historians, are trying to prepare a comprehensive document which will place before the people of Manipur and all other political parties to discuss, to find a appropriate and permanent solution of the present Manipuri situations. Second thing, now in the air there is a going on, there is a Indian bloc, there is a BJP, people are discussing about elections. Of course there will be election also in Manipur. People are talking about seat sharing. We have a 10-party alliances here, and of course we will discuss also with them what will be the possible outcome of seat sharing. In the meantime, our party state council has decided that we will be contesting the election from inner Manipur. But once again I am saying, this is not an immediate task for us. Immediate task is that election may wait, but this flow of blood of the Manipur people should be stopped. So this is what we have discussed, and our party also will be taking some program around 3 days. Mass hunger strike will be there. They will organize very soon, demanding immediate restoration of law and order situation and also immediate call of Manipur Assembly to discuss all these issues to find appropriate solutions.
Sir, when and where are you planning this 3 days march hunger strike?
Now, this our Manipur Party's secretariat will decide the dates. Of course, it should not be before 14th January because Rahul Gandhi is coming and he is also starting his Naya Jatra from Manipur. And we are told that all parties in the India being invited. That is, of course, we have learned it. Till now, we didn't get any invitation to join this rally. But if such invitation comes, we are open to it because we do believe that this is the high time to build sense of confidence among the people of Manipur to avoid these present situations.